It feels so damn good to be back with you guys, vlogging every day and traveling and adventuring.
We've had the last 2 weeks off for those of you guys that have been following around. For those of you that are new, we spent the last 70 days traveling through Mexico.
Yeah.
And we just decided about 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, that we're gonna travel further into Central America and share as much as we possibly can with you guys. So this is the start of our brand new series. This is season 2.
Welcome to the jungle.
Look at these houses, my love. This is the first time we've really experienced this close. We're in Celestún, and we parked just over there. And this is what a lot of the houses look like. They're super makeshift, just pieces of sheet metal.
It's pretty interesting because what we were told was a lot of times when people build houses like this, in areas like this, they don't even need to get permission from the town or anything like that. They basically just like claim their land, start building, and then that's what they call their home.
¿Tú vendes?
Sí.
¿Sí?
Ocho.
¿Cuántos para 8? ¿Cuántos?
Son 18.
18. 18 pesos?
18 pesos.
That's less than $1. Wow. And that's how you get your fruits and veggies here.
That's right, baby. I love getting my fruits and veggies that way.
We're just trying to find some ice for some smoothies, but this is what a typical grocery store looks like in Mexico. And it's not a heck of a lot. It's mostly just paper goods and dry goods. But hopefully here they have just a little bit of ice so we can make some smoothies because it's starting to get super hot outside.
So we're rushing back to camp. We gotta get this ice back before it starts melting. Let's go see what Trent and Allie are doing.
This is the worst part of our walk. And it smells 10 times worse than it looks. But this is a Celestún dump, which is all plopped right here. And this is our walk home to our bus, but we'll be back soon. Hola amigos!
Good morning! Hello, Frankie!
¿Qué pasa?
Good morning!
Just sitting in this dump that smells like trash. What are you guys up to?
I got some ice for some smoothies.
Oh, bueno.
How'd you guys sleep?
Really good.
White walkers.
Oh no, were you scared?
Yeah, she's fine.
All
You
night?
didn't sleep all night?
I was just like awake a lot. I was just like thinking about them a lot. I wasn't scared. I was just like,
What do you think about us?
just like they're freaking me out. Nothing crazy.
We watched Game of Thrones last night, and Allie, right as it finished, like, I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight. Because it was the second to last episode with all the White Walkers, and they get the dragon. You get
Wait, you
Don't give it
can't
away.
say.
I'll put a thing that says that there's gonna be spoilers.
All right.
But they get the White Walker dragon.
Yeah.
Wait till you guys see the next episode. All right, I think it's smoothie time. For you, my love.
Thanks for life.
Kelly's been talking about the smoothie for what? All morning?
Days.
Dang. This is a new one. If you guys like making smoothies, this is a new one to add to your repertoire.
This is a Don't Stop Belizean original. Now a Welcome to the Jungle original.
In our cookbook.
Our someday cookbook.
It's pretty simple. It's just maca, peanut butter, almond milk, bananas, dates, and ice.
And that's
Blend it up.
That's it.
Dude, I'm dying right now.
It is blazing. So something that we're saying that we want to start doing, especially for this series, especially for this time of year, is to wake up earlier and go to bed earlier because it gets so freaking hot in the middle of the day. It starts heating up probably around like 10 a.m. It's like already like 95 degrees out.
So basically, you have to do a lot of your stuff from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Because right now, what is it, 10:30?
10:30 and it's already like 95.
And it's blazing. And especially when you start cooking, it just gets so hot in this bus. We're gonna cook up this breakfast. You can see I'm dripping right now. We're gonna cook up this breakfast, we're gonna eat, and then we're hitting the road. Gonna blast the AC.
Because we got some adventures to go on today, and you guys are coming with us. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Here you go, senor.
Oh my goodness.
Pretty simple, just some eggs and potatoes.
Okay, careful, it's hot.
Gourmet. Thank you.
I was thinking, imagine if we could be enjoying this in some AC right now.
Oh, don't
would
even
be
say
nice.
that. Don't tease us like that, Jordan.
Trent and I had a big conversation about getting AC in our bus, and we were gonna buy a generator and a window air conditioner, but Trent talked me out of it.
Instead, we're just dealing with bugs. We're dealing with the heat.
When you're 50 years old, you're gonna look back and be glad you didn't have air conditioning.
Yeah.
We'll see if you're still saying that, because summer's coming, dude.
Summer is coming.
Summer's coming. We're gonna eat this food, then we're gonna hit the road because the AC is gonna feel so nice.
When we're driving, yes. Let's go.
We're gonna go find some caves. Let's go.
But I don't know. What do you guys want to do? You guys want to try to find this thing ourselves?
So we're looking for these caves. We just saw it on iOverlander, and it just brought us really to the middle of the nowhere. We're on this dirt road with all these like overrun brush, and it says it's that way. So
We see a little pathway, and we're assuming that that's the one because the pinpoint on our GPS is right over there to the left. Yeah.
So we're just gonna go and walk and try and explore and see what we can find.
Feels that way.
Maybe we should change the name of our series from Welcome to the Jungle to Welcome to the Microwave. It feels like it's like 110 out right now.
I think this is as bad as it's gonna get.
Well, I'll be saying I told you so if it gets hotter. Well, we lost the trail.
Well, that's the trail.
We don't really know where
You
we're
are
going.
off the path.
You can just see there's just nothing out here but burnt ground.
And soon to be burnt gringos. Yeah.
I think we're onto something. This is starting to look like a cave down here to me. If you look right through those trees, definitely a cave in there. So now this is the best part. Time to explore.
Oh, let's go check it out.
Wow.
My. What are they?
Wow, it's so much cooler in here.
That's amazing. This is how horror movies start, you know?
Trent, get that negativity out of here. Well, I'd say we're all a little bit on edge.
A little bit.
We're kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and when you stumble across something like this, it's crazy. There's bats everywhere. You can hear all these bats. But I'd say it's at least a good 20 degrees cooler in this than it is outside. It's way over 100 outside. Lola and Frank were both super hot, so they're definitely appreciating this. Oh my god! Wow.
How is that a thing?
Those are definitely carvings, dude. Wow.
That's where they live, dude.
That's where all the bats are?
Look! Oh god, there's like 6.
They're right there. Whoa!
Dude, this is crazy. Cavern number 3, dude. There's like not even any light in it. Like goes all the way down in there.
Wow, that's crazy. I don't know what civilization lived here. I don't know what time frame they lived here. We gotta do some research on this place, but whoever decided to live here,
They were dang smart. 'Cause
Yeah.
This is like the absolute perfect living conditions, I feel like.
old school AC, so much more cool in here than it is outside. Definitely manageable, and it's also freaking amazing. It's absolutely beautiful in here. And I think the coolest thing about all this is we just get to explore it all on our own. So it's like at every turn we don't know what to expect. And it's all super exciting.
We're probably gonna have to make it a point to find more things like this to do and kind of just go off the touristy trail, the touristy route, and try to find our own little excursions that we can do, because I feel like it's more fun that way when like you don't know what to expect and you're not just basing it off of like a picture off of a pamphlet, and you're just going to a spot on a GPS location, going and finding it yourself and just being absolutely blown away.
That was one of my favorite spots that we found on this trip so far. Oh, you're such a hot bubs. It's okay, we're on the AC now. Guys, look how much...
Look how mad I'm sweating right now.
I think we're gonna have a little change of plans. If you look just off in the distance, right about there, you can see that there's a pyramid up on that mountaintop. So with the spirit of today, with the spirit of just like going and exploring, we're gonna go and check these pyramids out and see what it's all about. They look amazing. I'm freaking loving today, just going and exploring. We're having a blast. Let's go see. Maybe we could get inside these pyramids, maybe we like crawl around in there. Doesn't seem like there's anyone around here. So I'm excited to go check it out.
What are you looking at?
What do you think?
That's pretty dang cool, man.
Check this out. Well, these are ancient Mayan ruins. They're actually supposed to be one of the oldest sites and one of the largest. They believe the city used to stretch for 15 kilometers, which is huge. That's like such a big city. See everything that hasn't even been uncovered yet. Just over here, there's something else. And then if you look, you see a little mound. That's definitely another pyramid. We just haven't uncovered it yet. Oh, man, Mexico just keeps getting more and more amazing. How many places in the world can you just happen to stumble across two amazing places like that right next to each other? Especially with that amount of history. That place was over 1,000 years old, 1,000-year-old ruins. I'm so happy to be back adventuring again and exploring. But now I think it's finally time for us to go.
Hitting the road, Jack. Right now, we got our vans parked right on the beach, watching the sunset and eating some delicioso chips and my absolute favorite salsa ever. Baba! Hi, sweet girl. What are you doing over here? What are you doing over here? So I think it would only be right if we ended this day with a little taco takeoff. Jordan and Trent.
Takeoff, you mean cook-off?
Cook-off, I mean. Taco cook-off.
So let me tell you what happened. We were in the grocery store and Trent picks out some pork. We're gonna make pork tacos. Trent picks out this pork that looks like bologna.
Oh, I saw that.
I was like, dude, no way. And he's like, what? This is like the best pork they got. So he's gonna make pork tacos with that pork, and then I got some pork leg that I'm gonna braise. And he's not gonna stand a chance.
Oh, shoot! All right, you guys, let's get this thing started. It's 9:30. Dinner has still not been served yet because
but it's finished.
Jordan has been braising the pork over here for the last 3 hours.
Listen, all good things take patience. And
all the good things take time. Right?
all the food that we've been making is like, let's cook it as fast as possible.
I know.
I'm like, listen, we're doing some slow cooking it with love. And this pork is just finished. It's amazing. Nice and braised, seared on the outside,
wow.
And cooked in liquid. And you want to try a little piece?
Wow.
Cute.
Oh man. So let's go see what Trent did for us over here.
I didn't do anything.
What?
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Dude, where are your tacos? we already knew. Trent already told us he was flaking out. Dude,
It's alright.
You wouldn't have stood a chance. Your hot dog meat would have never stood up to this.
Dude, even if we had the best meat possible, Jordan's cooking skills would have blown us out of the water.
Oh!
100%.
So we made it to our lovely, lovely, lovely camp spot for the night. Walmart. It's always nice staying in a Walmart.
We haven't stayed at a Walmart in a little bit, but this is just kind of the reality of things sometimes, especially when you're in a city.
Yeah, for sure. But you know what? It's not that bad. Besides the fact that there is a bar right across the way that is banging music. First things first.
We've been sweating like pigs
It
all
has
day.
been a steamy, steamy, steamy day. So I think we're gonna try to attempt to shower in a Walmart parking lot. Have we ever done this before?
We've never done this before. We're gonna get some serious looks. This parking lot's still like half full, but we're desperate at this moment.
Yeah, I am extremely desperate. I literally felt like we were just in a sauna all day today.
Yeah. Let's see how this goes. We're gonna shower real quick.
All right, let's do this.
Is that the first time you've ever seen someone shower in a Walmart? Look at that. It's not even like we're hiding. We're like right out in the middle. A bunch of people were staring at us, but I don't care. What you got over there?
Oh, you know what I got over here.
What do you got?
Got the good stuff.
Intense orange, huh?
This is the good stuff.
This is like the most luxurious chocolate you can get in Mexico.
Either this or Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrero Rocher is delicious.
Those are free. So this is where we are wrapping up our night. This is where we're wrapping up our night tonight.
Lola's already passed out over here. She's already into dreamland. Oh,
She had
you
a
like
good
the
day.
belly rub. We had an absolute blast. We are so happy to be back making videos again. It feels amazing. I know Lola's really excited too. She loves being in the bus. But we're passing out. It's time for bed. Anything else you want to say?
I love you.
Welcome to the jungle. See you guys next time.